how to download the Uber Eats driver app. So you can't use the same app, Uber Eats, to deliver food. You will need a separate application, and here's how we can get it. You want to go to the App Store, and here we will use the search bar to search for Uber driver. So just like that, after you have typed out Uber driver, you will see this application called Drive and Deliver Food. Click on it to get it, and I will just confirm the installation like so, and this will begin downloading the application. Now, if you have successfully created an Uber Eats delivery account or an Uber driver account, then you can log in with your account info, and I'll show you in a second, so just pause it. Okay, so the app has been downloaded. If I click on open here, it's going to show me this. I will allow or not allow right here, and let's get started. You can log in with your account. It's going to automatically detect your Uber Eats account, but if you don't use the same method for the delivery account which you have created, you can log in with all of these other different methods such as email, passkeys, mobile app or Apple, so on and so forth, and you can begin delivering food. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.